Well, hello. You want me to come in? It's your Hey YouTube, it's Mariah, and today I'm coming back to you guys after several months with two new life updates. One, which... So you guys all know by the title on this video that we're doing Kaiden'S room reveal. So this is actually like just showing the process of us getting his first big boy like toddler room put together. He's always slept with me since he was born, so this is like a big step for him. But not only that, I have somebody very special to introduce you guys to, which a lot of you already know because you follow me on Instagram, you follow me on Snapchat, and if you don't and you want to have that exclusive access to my personal life, then I'll link my Instagram and Snapchat usernames below. Here she is. She just want to stand beside me because she's shorter. I have Kaiden here. This is her. This is Rebecca, my girlfriend. We're not really gonna go too much into depth with like everything with us because this is really a video about Kaiden'S room, but my next video is gonna be a Q&A. So any questions you guys have, you can ask us or DM it to me or Rebecca.
I don't want nobody in my DMs, baby.
Yeah, she don't need nobody in her DMs. Okay, so yeah, Kaiden is now 3. He wanted a fire truck room when we asked him, which was really surprising because he loves dinosaurs. He loves Paw Patrol. But you know what? I took it and ran with it. And I was like, we're gonna give you a fire truck room. So me and Rebecca both decided to do neutral colors and just do splashes of fire trucks just in case if maybe he wants to change his room like next year. We didn't spend a lot of money on fire truck themes. So for all of my curious moms out there that have already asked me a bajillion questions about his room and where we got certain things from, I'm just gonna put this out here. Majority of the stuff actually I ordered off of Amazon. Yeah, that 2-day shipping got me because I just wanted everything a certain way for his room and I couldn't find a lot of it in store. So everything's pretty much from Amazon or Target or, you know, basic stuff from like Walmart or whatever. She worked very hard to put together majority of the furniture. I kind of just picked stuff out. But the whole process was fun, and it was fun to hide everything from Kaiden and do a big surprise, and his reaction made it completely worth it. So I wanted to share that with you guys and just continue to watch this video. Baby?
We are getting books for Kaiden. We've got to get the classics.
Yes. We are at the book
Just these books. All of them right there. Just grab them.
Are they really? Oh my god, I was looking for this the whole time.
Baby. If you give me Candy Cupcake.
Okay.
We have to get that one because
we got the...
It's Franklin.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm done.
Don't put back, baby.
Nothing that made sense. My family's changing. He needs to know about his family's changing. Don't tell you what you putting back.
Gotta make her put the Dr. Seuss books.
He needs the family's changing one. Amazingly, $3. Okay. Texas is for sure. These are for sure. That's for sure.
You guys, she is so excited, and I feel like there's like $100 worth of books in there.
Okay. He doesn't start preschool, but he can know about it before. And then he's busy being 3. He's 3. He's a lot to do.
Pick one.
I did. The Texas one. I did. I picked this one, and I picked My Family's Changing of ones that did. Those are the 2 I picked. So now, which ones are you taking?
This is the last of it. So after this, we're just gonna mount the TV and then clean up a little bit, and then we're good to go.
What?
process, baby.
Shit back and right there.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay, turn on the light. Turn on the light. What do you see?
I see books.
Books?
Yeah. You're gonna put your toys in there.
You like books?
Yeah, I got a dinosaur book.
You got a dinosaur book?
Oh yeah, now you get to read all these books at nighttime before bed.
Yeah,
Do you like your books?
yeah. My books are cool and my room is cool.
Your room is cool.
Yeah.
Did you see what was on your bed? Look what's on your bed. Come here. Go up there. Look what's on your bed.
It's very dark in here.
Oh my God!
What is it?
It's a fire truck up there and the light up there and it's that pink up there too. And look at my new fire truck room too. And look at my fire truck.
Show us.
Let me
Show us
see.
your fire truck pillow.
Wow.
Oh my God! Look at my
it's so
fire
dark.
truck. Hello, it's so cool. This is so cool. I didn't know I love this.
You love it?
Yeah.
Yay.
Yay. You fix it?
Yeah, me and Rebecca fixed it for you.
It's in the present
Well,
here.
those are your toys. You already know what's in there. Did you see your TV? Where's your
up.
TV?
Look up.
Where's your TV? It's somewhere in here.
Where's the TV at?
Oh yeah. Well, go sit in your chair.
See if you fit.
And this?
Yeah, that's yours.
Wow.
Here you go.
You read it. What does it say?
Dinosaur metaphor. Four.
Open it.
Gonna be in there.
What's gonna be in there?
Oh my gosh.
What is it?
You reading it already?
Yeah.
You like dinosaurs? Do you
Yeah.
speak? Shoe?
The weapon suit.
There is a rat in the shoe.
Yeah.
We love you.
We love you, Kaden.
I love it too. I like my room.
You like it?
Do you love it? I love it.
I like it too. I want to read.
You gonna read to me?
I want to put toys in there.
You can.
You are gonna put toys in there.
So when you clean your room, you know where to put your toys, right?
We'll put it in here.
Yeah, but the books go on the shelf. They don't go in
books
there.
Go on the shelf.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
You love your room?
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I can't wait to show you guys what's next.
Never gonna show.